Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Uba Erwin ki sutanga uba day chairman jong ka Joint Action Committee on Border of Meghalaya ulo ang ba Sorkar MDA kalapan kalaya ka District Council tangkom ka Tnad jong ka Sorkar Henry ha ka jingsisha ka District Council bat ka Khernet Bahanriu ka dibandan ha ka ta ka Jaka banyadai ki hok long try jong ka Jat Benriu banyadai ka Kynnoh ka Siap jong ka Jat Benriu bat ka di ka Council ka ban shim ka jingrai ha ka bayade bat Kynnoh ki man. Uba Erwin ulaong baga jingweng ye ki khatweng wat ki MDC ka National People's Party jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council nakaray banit mudui siya ka yang kasari persya ya ka MOU penbet puan ka penisay bakila bu shwa ya ka seng hakaman banya ka jingkwa upat ba Henry kum ki MDC ki de banya daya ka hok jong ki pat ba amban mi kaman na ka benta kanu ka seng ka bakidon. Ulong balik si ya ka jingweng jong kiti khatweng ut ki MDC ya ka rai banit mudui kalong bakim tip ya ka bor bat ka rukam trekam jong ka council halor ka Kynnoh ka Siam bat ka ED rules lani ya ka autonomous district rules
ba haka Sorkar MDA kila pangkala ya ka dis council kum ka tangkum ka department jong ka Sorkar haji sha la de pipa iki ED rules haji sha ka discount bat dia ka sexual ka discount soli ka dai bandon hakata ka position banyada ki traditional rights banyada ka tribal land but haji ki sha ka di ka council ka basim in session ya kanu resolution dan ne kanu motion ka ba kiwan kamtam barbor kiwan hi ka unanimous decision hangne kini kidai khatwai ngot kini ki public kenderaan kidai ki ba kita khot jong MPP haji sa kapaubi ba kinya sign kum ka to resolution namar ki MDCs are expected to protect our rights. They are not expected to represent any party interests. Hangne PE pau sai kadar ba the party interest becomes more important than the interest of the people. Very simple. Kalau ingat dan hantu kita su join ke kongres dan su kanti bawan nang imat kimpat su tu bahiro namar balai ke ideologi ro kamsai su simbe garai namar balai la ong su minister pidai ben le kum tu la su direct ki kum ke department la su long bai tang kum ki nong trek kam Sorkar klem exercise ka main klem pa yang sexual klem pa yang ED rules klem so tu ikabor ke jong ki kum MDC su ya sign bai resolution am ngim tre le chukut number play ultimately let Chakot come out against the government of Meghalaya. Let Chakot mut the government of India and the state government, they have to decide. They have to decide. Number kide maki ki authority to decide the boundaries. To decide the boundaries. Okay. The point also arises that kito ki MDC, kide ban so ba maki ba de kide ki custodian of the land, the custodian of the rights of the people. Hangni ka dong conflict. Once you say I'm not ready to go to court because namar balik ka KHDC pikanau, kamra masno ngilai court. Ki kam ki babon ki ba ngilai court. Ni yo iki orders ki balong favorable ka KHDC. It doesn't mean that we are against the government. It means that we are just enforcing what the Constitution has given us. The rights and the provisions of the Constitution, which are very clear, have to be enforced. So, hangni kajing galongba under Article 131, the primary jurisdiction lies with the Supreme Court. The parties who should go is the state. Under Article 12, the definition of state also includes this council. Now, da kabakile kum tu kamut kini ki perlok kim da sung thu bai ka jinglong MDC ki joki kim sung thu ro ya ka sexual kim sung thu ki ED rules kim sung thu ro ya ka jing corridor jong ki riti ki dustur ki jongi ka sansha trairi ki jongi kim sung thu ya ka hok ka jongi halor ka Kynnoh ko siap bat ka sukut tang tai ba suele election ban up ban yo job MLA bia nanti sa poi state ke nang kulmar su ko partai ngi da dia ba job kini le te ka sulong no tong is dai hi namar balai ba imat sung thu kim sung thu hi ke berkile te kata teng hap ya ma hi marah ba ubri ule da ke jingmot ba sniu ti ngidang la ban ngani tu sniu andre ba kile da ke bom soto te kile umno ni hab shuhun ba ka de ke jingbi poi ba ba ji de kita mo tengin sakam start nang ni kamat kayaknya tare ki deny ka challenge ka bo iki saki ap kundai ngot saki kat kundai ngot ka challenge ka de iki kat kundai ngot mata namar ki de tangkat we ki ba sai ni ka ki kat kundai ki ongkum no ba le ka majority ki de kat kundai ya ki ongkum no ke kin yang parti ne kin yang jai nang reu ka ta ke challenge